Welcome to Korea. Before you step inside, listen to this. Take off your shoes. Going by global. Let's go. When you enter, please take off your shoes. 신발을 벗다, 신발을 뷰다. Step on the clean floor. 받아봐 in the room.